Thank you, Soapy Queen. Okay, guys, I have a good question. Do you think, is there anything that you feel like you regret about your life? Like if you could go back in time and tell your younger self or be your younger self and change something that happened, would you do it? Or would you not do it because you're the person that you are now? You would? Okay, what would you change a lot of things? Like how would that happen? Absolutely. I feel like a lot of people would go back. I feel like, but do you think like, yeah, other things might change? Like if you have kids, are you willing to risk that? Like, okay, I'm not gonna have these kids anymore because of this. Look like bad, help to grow and become better. Yeah. I feel that. What would change? Okay, after. Ooh. Hey, Jazz. How are you, Liv? These are good. Wait, tell me. And then again, you would feel like everything happens for a reason? Yeah. That's what I mean. Like, I feel like I want to change like stuff that I would want to change stuff that happened, but without that happening, like if I went back in time to change some things, like it was before I had my kids, and then I think like I wouldn't have my kids, I wouldn't be like with my husband. Like it sucks that like those things happen, but if I'm able to grow from it already and heal from it now, then thank you, King Ty Jax. Your live was so good the other day. I was like, you know, I have to support you, girl. You be supporting a lot. You can never miss what's meant for you. Do you think so? That's interesting. Hey, Nessa. That's good. That's a good one. We have 3 Ajax left. So how much is that? $6. Wait, no. $7.50. Oh, on TikTok or like this green platform? Thank you. And the other jug in the can. Thank you. Oh, so good. How was everyone's week? Are y'all resetting today on Sunday, doing laundry, cleaning the house? What y'all got going on today? I think after the live, I'm gonna just shower and clean up and just chill. I really have to see what's not gonna be for today. You gotta go back to school tomorrow? Yeah. Thank you. No, we're not just sleeping on and off. Yeah, I like the lazy Sundays where you're just waiting for the laundry to get done from the washer and you take a nap in between and put it in a dryer. Oh my god. This is crazy. And of course, now I get a hair. I knew that was gonna happen too, right after I put my hair up. What are y'all making for dinner tonight? I feel like, I don't know what. I've been so like, not into like cooking lately. Deep cleaning, laundry, getting rid of clothes, done, you get distracted. I feel that. But you have something playing in the background, so it kind of like makes you feel better. Does it smell like pine? It smells like both, like the coconut and the pine I really smell. I don't know. If it rains in summer, you gotta remember we laugh all day. Like dumber, dumber. I don't know, Lizzie. Thank y'all so much, everybody, for this live. It's been so good. We still have 30 cans. No, we're about to add some more because these sponges feel thick. Oh, she smells so good. Thank you, Monday. I feel like I'm a good sponge reviewer. Like I'm really like I'm not biased on, not as good as the Ajax, but it just smells, it smells better to me. But I know you love your Ajax. My next live will have Ariel powder. I feel like we haven't been using too much of Ariel. Hello, Marianne. Medics. But yeah, I feel like grouts last the longest, and then there's some epoxies that just do last longer than others. That's from somebody that does lives consistently for hours every week. I forgot I had my new sponge. Wow. I literally had my new sponge that I forgot to use. Wow. I guess I'm gonna have to wait till Tuesday. I had the biggie, what you call it? The pedal puff from Soapy. It's too late. I'm about to finish. That would be another sponge for me to have to wash. I mean, I have to clean. So, yeah. So. I hardly do rinses on lives. I thought I was about to step on this pine jug, but I didn't. Oh my god. I was like, what the heck is that? But again, I had kicked it because I was like, what the hell is that? I got scared. That was like I don't know, a big ass bug. The damn pine jug on the floor. She never blesses us. I have before. If you're in here or not, I can't control that. Okay, we got Sink Sundays with Gain. We have Sunday Fun Days with Suds and Bubbles, and now we have Simple Sundays with Gigi. Simple Sundays is just meant to be like a simple combo. Like a simple combo, like a simple overload that's not like a billion products. It's just simple. 2 months? Woo! I don't think it's been months actually. You might have not been here then. So that means simple things. You're funny. First of all, you don't even like rinses, Monica, because rinses have suds. You see how she's trying to trick you? Using my God's day as a persuasion tactic. Are we even besties? Hello? I need to host like a trivia. Maybe I'll do Tuesday trivia. That sounds cute. Because it's TT, Tuesday trivia. So I have Simple Sunday, Feel Good Friday, and what's that called? Trivia Tuesday. I got, that sounds good to me. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna post that. Post next to my sheet. Trivia, Tuesday trivias, Trivia Tuesday, whichever way. I told Monica she needs to come over. She be slacking. Top scrub. I was texting Meg. I was like, we need to go to a lunch or dinner with all 3 of us. But me and you also need to get together for our one-on-one time. Soft scrub, do you have any time during the week? You know what? Let me text you. If you have any time during the week for like a lunch, yes. I'm on like the southwest side though. Every time that me and Soft Scrub hang out, it's always something. Like we busy. We are booked and busy. Like we have stuff to do. What about the daycare? Or, shoot, bring her. Bring her. Does it look great to y'all? It looks blue over here. It looks like a light blue. It looks, see, that's the thing I don't like. The camera and like the in-person look don't actually match. Girl, if you don't put her in damn daycare, come on now. You got the damn mother-in-law, you got all that. Yeah, everything's in now. This is what I'm mixing up. She's on east. She's on northeast side. just text you like, yes, like, I'm not gonna make you come all the way over here for lunch. Like, I'm gonna drop off my mother-in-law, drop off my daughter with my mother-in-law, and then I'd go meet with you. Hello. I just said, didn't I say northeast? Or did I say southeast? I probably said southeast by accident. I'm in northeast. Yes, that's why I was like, yes, we're going to meet up somewhere. Yep. That's what I'm saying, Monica. I told her. Do you know how long I have been telling Monica? It's been like over a year. Okay. Silkier wood, period. I've been telling her if she's coming here to meet anyone, she has to see me. I'm the day one. Yep. Been rocking since October 2024. It was still during my first month of clean talk.